In this video, I'll show you how you can change the default install and download location on Windows 10 or Windows 11. The first step is you can come here and search for this PC. In here, you should be able to find your desktop. Right click on desktop and go to properties. In here, what you can do is find location. And then what you can do is you can change this right here. Now, if you don't want to use this one, what you can do is you can come here and search for registry editor. Come in registry editor and we want to look for this file right here. The way you find this is local machine, software, Microsoft, and under Microsoft you want to find Windows right here, and then you want to click on current version, not expanded, just click on it, and in here you will have two program files. So the first one is this one and the other one is this one. So you can simply click on this one and you can change where you want it to be. So if you want it to be on a D drive, you can type D here. Or if you want a whole different location, you can just copy and paste the location and put it here. Then do the same for this one right here. And that's how you do it. So basically, this is really simple, guys. You just want to change it in here. And I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.